This is Caroline of Caroline's Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I put out videos about 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I do a host of different types of videos related to planner content. This is a less often seen planner on my channel. It is my work planner. It is in A5 rings by Lux Productivity in the turquoise colorway, which I love dearly. And the inserts are hourly inserts from Planning Inspired, which I've really been enjoying using in this planner. I use this to plan out and to sort of memory plan my work weeks. So not every week, but particularly busy ones or memorable ones. And for this spread, as far as functionals go, I'm pulling in leftovers from a recently used Glam Planner kit that I used in my memory planner. My Aura Estelle inserts in my Aura Estelle XSPC Blossom Planner. That video is already live on my channel if you want to check it out. You can see that I also put in some leftover double boxes to take up some space and add some color and decoration to each of the pages. These are from a grab bag from Glam Planner. And I just started each day by placing down the functional boxes and functional items for each thing that I am noting, and then I pre-pulled each of my character stickers and icons for each task, and I'm placing those down with each of the functional items, alternating sides as I usually do. And then I'm using my Pilot G2 in 0.38 to fill in some more details about each of those tasks. I do have to pull out the insert and move it over to the right side of the page, just because writing against the rings is kind of difficult for me since I'm right-handed. So every other page, every other day, I basically have to pull out of the rings and write that way, since it's far easier to write when you're not trying to fight with the rings as much. This week I pulled in a lot of Coffee Monsters Co., Once More with Love, Paperless Story, Fox and Pip, character stickers from my leftover sticker books, as well as my typical used sticker binder. Let's see. I did choose to plan this week in this planner because it was a particularly busy one, as I mentioned. This week was the week of Monday, March 15th through Friday, March 19th. This is the last school week before spring break, so it was a lot of assessment appointments with my kiddos. For those of you who don't know, I do teach preschool, and we're doing everything virtually right now, so it was a lot of assessment appointments with my kiddos to finish out third quarter. I do those assessments so that I have the most up-to-date data on my kiddos' progress as far as literacy and numeracy skills go, and then that way I can fill in their progress reports with the most current information. So I did those throughout the week, and I've been doing them throughout the past couple of weeks. So I sprinkled those in throughout the week with our normal school and normal tasks, meetings as appropriate. I had a bunch of things to do for an IEP that we're working on for one of my students, and a few other forms for some of my kiddos with existing special ed stuff, and sort of kindergarten registration related things, since we're getting into that season, that time of year. So just a lot of different tasks and a lot of different things to keep track of. Assessments for progress reports, but also our rubrics that we use. And those things are just really time consuming, so I had to sort of time block to get those things accomplished in a timely manner, which I was able to do this week. I was able to complete all of my Q3 tasks, which I did note here on Friday, I believe. So I was able to pull in a lot of my teacher and kiddo related stickers from Once More with Love and the Coffee Monsters Co., a Paperella story, things like that. If you do have any questions about where any of the stickers are from, or any of the things that I mentioned or showed in this video, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to help. And feel free to leave any questions down below as well, planner related or otherwise, and I would love to answer them in an upcoming video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you like what you see, and if you like more functional but still decorative content here on my channel. And I'll see you next time. Peace, love, and happy planning, everyone. Bye-bye.